Hello. Want to speak English like a pro? Drilling is the secret weapon you need. This video will help you improve your pronunciation, fluency, and confidence in English conversation. Let's listen.
Have you ever traveled by plane before, Uncle Richard?
Yes, Julian, many times. Have you?
No, never. I'm flying to Singapore next week, and I'm excited, but a little nervous. What should I do at the airport?
Well, you buy your ticket online, and then the airline emails your boarding pass. Or you can download it onto your phone. You should get to the airport at least 2 hours before your flight leaves. Don't be late, or they won't let you get on the plane.
Okay. Can I take a suitcase?
Yes, but you must drop off your suitcase at check-in. You can also take one piece of carry-on luggage onto the plane, but make sure it's a small bag. Then you go through security and show the security guard your passport. Do you have one?
Yes, I got one last month.
Okay, good. Then you go through to the waiting area and wait until your flight is ready. Most flights are on time, but if your flight is delayed, then you might have a long wait. So you should take a book to read while you're waiting. You can check whether your flight is on time by looking at the electronic screens. Oh, yes, and you should exchange some money before you go. Enjoy Singapore, Julian.
Thanks, Uncle Richard.
If you're enjoying today's lesson, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and let's continue.
Have you ever traveled by plane before? Have you ever traveled by plane before? I'm flying to Singapore next week. I'm flying to Singapore next week. What should I do at the airport? What should I do at the airport? Can I take a suitcase? Can I take a suitcase?
You should get to the airport at least 2 hours before your flight leaves. You should get to the airport at least 2 hours before your flight leaves. Don't be late, or they won't let you get on the plane. Don't be late, or they won't let you get on the plane. Show the security guard your passport. Show the security guard your passport. So you should take a book to read while you're waiting. So you should take a book to read while you're waiting.
A boarding pass or a boarding card. It is a document that allows a passenger to enter a plane or a ship. Carry-on luggage, also called hand luggage or cabin baggage. A small bag or suitcase that passengers are allowed to bring with them into the airplane cabin.
Brandon, are those new inline skates? They look cool.
Yeah, but they're not exactly new. I bought them at the flea market last Saturday.
Oh, really? How much did you pay for them?
I only paid $20.
Wow, that's a good deal. So what else did you do there?
I sold some old toys and clothes which belonged to me, and I made some money.
That sounds like a lot of fun.
It was my first time and I loved it. I learned something too.
What was that?
I learned that we shouldn't throw away used things. Other people can find them useful. I also learned that we can find something useful in old things.
Those are good lessons.
Flea markets help recycle things and bring people together. I plan to keep going to the flea market.
So when are you going to the flea market again?
This Saturday. Do you want to join me?
I'd love to.
I bought them at the flea market last Saturday. I bought them at the flea market last Saturday.
How much did you pay for them? How much did you pay for them? So what else did you do there? So what else did you do there? That sounds like a lot of fun. That sounds like a lot of fun.
It was my first time and I loved it. It was my first time and I loved it. We shouldn't throw away used things. We shouldn't throw away used things. Do you want to join me? Do you want to join me?
Flea market. A type of marketplace where people sell secondhand goods, antiques, collectibles, handmade items, and other cheap products. Good deal. A simple way to say something is a great offer. For example, if you buy something useful at a low price, it is considered a good deal. Example, I bought this laptop during a holiday sale, and it was a really good deal. I bought this laptop during a holiday sale, and it was a really good deal. Thanks for hanging on with me today, and if you enjoy what I do, I would appreciate your support by liking and subscribing. Take care and see you next time.